Top 10 Addiction Rehabs in Santa Clarita. Those who struggle with a substance abuse or addiction must learn about the following best addiction rehab centers in Santa Clarita that help treat their condition. Number 10. National Council on Alcoholism or Drug Dependence of the Fernando Valley Incorporated. National Council on Alcoholism or Drug, located in Santa Clarita, California, is an alcohol rehab center providing substance abuse treatment with outpatient care. Self-payment is accepted with sliding fee scales. Number 9. Action Family Counseling Incorporated, Santa Clarita. Action Family Counseling Incorporated, located at 23502 Lyons Avenue, Santa Clarita, California, 91321 United States, is a drug rehab program providing substance abuse treatment with outpatient care. Adolescents or teens in dual diagnosis or persons with co-occurring disorders are supported by this California Drug Treatment Center. Number 8. Lifeline Connections. Lifeline Connections provides outpatient, short-term residential treatment in Vancouver, specializing in a mix of mental health and substance abuse. Lifeline Connections also provides substance abuse treatment, detoxification, and buprenorphine used in treatment with services for the deaf and hard of hearing. Exclusive programs and groups designed to treat persons with co-occurring mental and substance abuse disorders and DUI or DWI clients are facilitated. Number 7. The Way Out Recovery SCV. Found in the Plum Commerce Center, this outpatient rehab facility in Santa Clarita treats both adults and adolescents. Their staff assesses the patient and their family to create the best treatment plan for them. And treatment approaches include relapse prevention, a 12-step approach, stress management, discharge planning, aftercare, crisis intervention, and more. Number 6. Oaks of Hope. This rehab center focuses on patients who have dual diagnosis and who are seeking treatment for addiction to prescribed pain meds. They help patients undergo detox through MAT. This process lasts from 3 to 10 days. The patient is ready for inpatient treatment after they are stabilized, and care plans are individualized for each patient. Number 5. Live Again Recovery Homes, Live Again Ministries. Live Again operates inpatient drug rehab and long-term drug rehab programs for male patients who are struggling with addiction to alcohol or drugs. They accept veterans and clients referred by the courts for citations other than DWI. While at the rehab center, patients benefit from community outreach and education and relapse prevention. Number 4. Healthy Living Drug and Alcohol Detox and Rehab Center. Open 24 hours, Healthy Living offers patients to detox and inpatient services. During detox, patients are monitored around the clock by professional staff as they undergo withdrawal. When the patient is evaluated and determined to be stable, they enter treatment. The patient's treatment plan is based on their own unique needs, including their gender and cultural background. The staff also treats patients with dual diagnoses. Number 3. Common Bond Rehab Center. Found in Santa Clarita's Valencia Center, this rehab facility is one of several drug rehab programs in Santa Clarita that are open 24 hours a day. It is an outpatient center geared toward patients who are struggling to overcome addiction to drugs and alcohol, but still need to keep their commitments to work or school. Because of this, they offer day or evening hours for outpatient treatment. Number 2. Child and Family Center, Santa Clarita. As its name implies, this rehab center in Santa Clarita accepts patients of all ages, from children to adults. They also stage brief interventions and welcome patients with dual diagnoses and members of the LGBT community. They perform comprehensive assessments of the patient's substance abuse and mental health and provide childcare for patients with young children. Number 1. Action Family Counseling, The Ranch. This privately operated facility in Santa Clarita treats both male and female patients who are attempting to overcome addiction to drugs and alcohol. They offer outpatient, inpatient, partial hospitalization, and 3-month intensive outpatient programs. They help patients with MAT using buprenorphine. If you are looking for addiction rehab in Santa Clarita, we can help you find the right treatment center. The first step towards recovery usually requires medical supervision, and follow up with a period of intensive therapy at one of these centers. Be sure to contact one of our addiction treatment specialists today.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.